Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So in the previous video, I made mayonnaise, and now I made that mayonnaise because of the video request that I got from Tara and Sky about how to use sweet potato. So this is one of my favorite, like I could eat this every day or just eat the plain potatoes. So Tara and Sky, this is how I make my sweet potato salad. So in here, I got these at the market on Wednesday. The man said it was a Rasta man, a dread. He said that this is habanero pepper, but I could just eat it like this with the seeds, and it's not spicy. So I believe maybe it's just another form of sweet pepper because it's not spicy. And I think
Should have a little more kick
has
to
a
it.
kick to it. But one thing I know, it has a great flavor. So here it is right here. And then I have the green sweet pepper. I have the red, the yellow. I have some purple onions. I have some corn and some scallion. So I am gonna just put everything into my bowl right here. So one of the reasons why I love the sweet potato salad is because I can put all of these seasonings and things, vegetables and stuff in it, and it just season it up very well. So here it is. Even this, you could just add this with the mayonnaise that I made, and this would be good enough. See how beautiful it is. So I'm gonna go in now with a couple more things. These are some green beans that I steamed because I did not want to add the water. I didn't want to cook them in any water. So I steamed them. I steam here some carrots. So all I did, I put the water in the bottom of the pot and just cut these up. When you steam things like this, Simple Life, you retain all the nutrients in it instead of dunking them in the water. In this one now, this is the bottom one. These are the sweet potatoes that I'm going to use to make the salad. I didn't get to cut them up and to show you how I do it. But something I want to tell you, whenever you are cutting up the sweet potato to cook, make sure you have when you're peeling them, peel them with a gloves if you don't mind the stains on your hand, and have a bowl of water ready to put them in, because they oxidize very quickly, and so they will change color, like when you're peeling the green bananas and they will turn black, so the potato will turn because the stains come up. So put them in some water straight away as you peel them, so they don't change color. This could have taken more sweet potato because there's more vegetable in here than sweet potato, but that's fine with me because I'm still gonna get that sweet and that salady taste. And this here now is the mayonnaise that I made earlier. And Simple Life, this mayonnaise is sitting here now for what, Daddy? Over an hour. And I like to see that, right, sweetie? And I like to see that it still retains the thickness, and so that is why I made that video first, so that I could get the mayo to use in this salad here.
Still thick.
Yeah, still thick. Still, it hasn't become watery or anything. It's great. But maybe I probably would have needed to double the recipe to get more. We will see. Okay. So here it is, Tanya and Sky. This is it right here. Your sweet potato salad. It's very healthy and very good for you. Very healthy. I just love it. It's just coming in here, sweetie. You can see all those healthy vegetables. I try not to use the can because you know all the carrots and the corn and the green beans are in the can that we use to make the sweet potato salad, right? But you can steam your own. I sat down and I cubed up all my carrots. I cubed up my 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 thing. I cubed up my carrots and I cubed up my own string bean. And you know the carrots, the corn, we plant those. So all it is we put them in the freezer and until we are ready to need corn. Look at that, isn't that nice? So I'm gonna go in now and I'm gonna taste right from here because we're about to eat soon. Mm. Simple life, I'm not acting. I know like when others taste things, they're like, oh, I don't think so. She's pretending. This is no pretend. The only thing it would need is a little more salt. Because, you know, I steam the vegetables. And, you know, when you're steaming, there's no salt added into it because it wasn't dunked in any water. And because it's so many vegetables and stuff, I would say it probably needs some salt. But good enough for me. Perfect. Can't wait for you to try it, sweetie. It's so good. So Tanya and Sky, here it is. I am going to put up the recipe and put in the description all the things that I use. And I pray and hope that you give it a try. This is the bowl that had the seasoning. Here it is. Here it is. Simple life. You don't need anything else with this.
It's a meal on its own.
You don't need any meat or anything. That's it. That's it right there. Simple life. And I'm gonna go in with it. So thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Until next time. And Tara and Sky, Tanya and Sky, I hope that you enjoyed. Please make it and let me know. God bless.